We all know how important it is to price a product properly, and when it is come to Etsy, it play a big role. But I always notice Etsy sellers struggle to price a product in the right range to get the desired sales. Here, the main problem is some sellers want to make a huge profit at a time, and that is why they don't last long in the competition. The good thing is there is a new feature on Etsy through which you can easily see what price point you should sell your product at to get the maximum sales. This is Shakhawat from EcomClips, and today I will discuss the new Etsy optimized price tool. So stay tuned. Here, in the back end of Etsy, if you go to the listing, you will see a new option, optimize prices, which is in the beta version now. Let's see what does it do. Okay, there is a short message, and here is a suggestion for a listing. It's saying your price is above the median range of $16.18 to $17.88. Median price is actually the middle point of a price range, but I'm not sure how they are calculating it. By the way, if you look at our price, it is $25.99 and it is suggesting to sell at this price range. Now I need to calculate if I really make a profit if I sell it in this price range, because it is a big change in the price here, almost $8 difference. Now my break even price is $15. So if I sell at this price point $16.88 to $17.88, I will make a very small amount of profit. And if I increase my sponsor ad budget, or if there is a price uplift suddenly for any additional cost, then this will be really tough for me to sell this at this price point. So this is really something I need to check and decide if I can go that low for my price point on Etsy. However, as it is still in beta version, maybe in the coming days they will make it more informative, as I can see that much information here. Like why they are suggesting me this price range, I mean what data they are considering. Though they have given some extra information in the about this tool section, still it is not sufficient. What I am expecting to see is some more competitors' products they are considering, or the data they are considering to price this product. So far it is reducing the price at a huge margin, which I think not be profitable for all. But maybe we can check it for testing purpose for 1 or 2 weeks to see how it performs. So that's all for today. I am optimistic that Etsy will continue to fine tune this tool and enhance the accuracy in the full version. As we wrap up today, I want to thank you for joining me. And for any additional assistance with managing your Etsy businesses, feel free to reach out us at info@ecomclips.com with this video reference. Until we meet in the next episode, have a fantastic day. Happy selling.